Good morning, everyone. Yes, it is day number 3 of the birthday party. I love parties. And birthdays are really great because you know what? Not everybody gets one, right? I love it, love it, love it. Take a deep breath, though. All right, because I've been running around already this morning. We got up, well, we didn't get up. We stayed up last night to see if we could see the Northern Lights because everybody's talking about them. And the night before, they were so vivid and beautiful, and everybody was looking at them. But we got up in last night because I wanted to see them. We we drove clear out, probably 10 miles away, just so we could see these lights, get away from the city a little bit. We waited and we waited, didn't see anything. And then I watched the news later on, and they said that they weren't as bright last night. So, did anybody see the Northern Lights? Because I would like to know. Are you here? If you're here, you got to say something. All right, today is another important day where you do have to talk in order to be in the drawing, because today we are going to draw a name from yesterday. And I'm really excited for it. Really excited for it. I got all my names right in here. Thank you so much for entering the contest. I love it. I love it. I love a good contest. All right, so my little device over here is not, I don't know why it's not pulling it up. And they were saying that this solar flare that we're having with the Northern Lights and everything is affecting everything. I think they're taking care of us very well, but it is affecting things. So I may not be able to get your comments until I get off. I don't know, because it's not bringing them up, and I don't know why. So I hope that you are there. I hope that I am here, and I hope that you can hear me. I think I am. I hope you are. All right, because I can't see your comments, dang, dang, dang. Yep, they're not going to pull up. I don't know why. I don't know why. All right, so I do have one funny story to tell you before I carry on with the drawing, okay? So you've all been to Disneyland probably. You know what I'm talking about. And when you go to Disneyland, do you ever buy, I mean, I do. I buy these collectible tins. They're fun. And they always have goodies inside of them. Well, I've been cleaning. And cleaning meaning I've been going through closets that I haven't been through in a while. And, well, maybe even a year. And I found this and I thought, wow, that is cool. That's a cool little tin. I'm going to like this one. I don't know what I'm going to put in it, but I like it. And I opened it up. Let me show you what's inside. I opened it up and look what's inside. There are still candies inside. Cookies, actually, crackers in this case. And I thought, wow, this is so cool. Apparently I didn't need any of them. So I took one of these out right here. I'm not going to open it now. I should have opened it on air so you could see it. I took one of these out and I just had one little taste, and I had to spit it out and go find something to chase this taste away. It was so bad. So bad. And my grandsons came over last night and I said, "Here, would you like one of my cookies?" And yeah, of course they did. I mean, they're 15 and 16. Of course they did. So they took a cookie, and they ate it. They ate them. They didn't have to spit it out like I did. I had to spit mine out. I gave one to my husband last night, and we were actually driving, and he had to roll the window down and spit it out. It was so bad, so bad. And I thought, I wonder why these are so bad. I mean, it hasn't been that long since we were at Disneyland or Disney World. We were just there not even a year ago. And I thought, crackers can last a year. And these were so bad, so bad. And then I got to looking really closely. If you can see right there, look where it's from. Tokyo. Tokyo Disney Resort. And so I had to go back on my phone to find out now, when was I in Tokyo? I remember going to Tokyo and going to Disneyland when we were there. And 2018. I've had this under wherever it's been for since 2018. Do you know how long ago that is? Do you know how nasty the crackers were in here? Oh, Gag, gag. We had to throw them away. Well, haven't yet. I had to show them to you. All right. Let's get on with what we came here for. We have a drawing because yesterday I told you have to make a comment on yesterday's post in order to be in the drawing. And I thank you so much for so many of you coming on and making a comment even later last night. So the person I draw out today, you will have 24 hours to email me, and I'll give you the email address, and just to claim your prize. Otherwise, I don't know where to send it. So I need to have that email. Definitely need to have it. And the reason I say 24 hours is because we could drag this on for months, but we don't want to do that. So I want you to watch today, comment today, and then watch tomorrow to see who is drawn out. Now you'll have 24 hours to watch it. I mean, it's going to stay on here for a long time, but you'll have plenty of time to watch it and to let me know that you saw. Okay? Deal? I think that's pretty cool. Well, today I am going to share with you, whoever I draw out, you are going to get my very favorite Serger tool. All right? And it's a tool that I can't live without. And maybe you already have one. Maybe you're hoping your name doesn't get drawn. But this is what it is. It is my bamboo stiletto. Now you can use that when you sew, but it is so nice when you're serging because you have that blade in there. And if you put your stiletto down by the blade and it's a metal stiletto, they don't go well together. They're going to clip it and one of them's going to crack. This right here, yes, if you catch it in your blade, yeah, it'll chip a little bit off. It doesn't hurt the blade, doesn't hurt the stiletto, just makes it a little bit shorter. And maybe the point's in a different spot. Who knows? But this bamboo stiletto is amazing. Okay, you can't serge without. This is like my sixth finger. Gotta have it. Gotta have it. That's what we're drawing for today. So please enter. All you have to do is make a comment on this post. So make a comment whether you tell me who you are, hi, boo, what state you're from. It doesn't matter. Just make a comment, okay? That's what we're drawing for today. Because after you do, look at the things you can make. This is such a fun, cute little pillow. And this is actually, these are all patterns on the website that you're going to get a 30% discount on when you go in and register. And I want to thank so many of you for registering for classes yesterday. We've only been doing this for 2 days now, and wow, I am overwhelmed. Thank you, thank you. I love it. I love it. Gets me all ready for the Christmas season. And right here, this is a beautiful little pillow that you can make. Here is the bag. Here is the bag. Whoa, hang on there. There you go. And right here, we have piping, we have ruching, we have the flat lock wave right over here. If you don't have a serger, you can still make these projects. You just have to make a few adjustments, that's all. And then you got a pocket on the inside. Such a fun, fun bag. There's another thing you can make. And here is something else you can make. You can make table runners. We got pillows, bags, table runners right here. Isn't this fun? Look at all the different stitches you can do. There's a flat lock stitch. There is a pin tuck stitch. There is a rolled hem stitch. And then, of course, you're going to stitch it all together. And then here's one of my favorites. All right. This is, let me put this over my head here. This is an apron, and I'm not going to be able to put it on to where you can see it, that is made out of a men's dress shirt. And there you're going to make the whole thing. And the serger makes this so much easier to make if you have a serger. Just a piece of cake. You just whip that thing up and you got it done. Another pattern on the website. Okay, so you're going to want this. If you don't have it already, if you have one, you need 5 of them. I have 5 of them. You've got to have one everywhere you sit, even by your sewing machine. This is a handy little tool. So that's our drawing for today. So that'll be all your comments here today will go into that drawing. But for yesterday's drawing, I didn't show you what I drew for, but when you get it, you're going to like it. So please post a picture. All right, let me pull a name out of this. I got my little handy thimble here, my lucky thimble. Okay, here I go. I'm going to pull out a name. And the name is Lenole. All right, Lenore. I believe I can almost remember where you live. I'm trying to think of the store that I went to that you were part of. So, yeah, I do remember you. And you've been with me for a long time. All right, Lenore, you need to email me at barb@sewwithbarb.com. So just send me an email and say, winner, winner, put that in the subject, and then I will know it's you. All right, and I will get your prize to you. I really kind of like what we drew for yesterday. It's really kind of cute. I'm not going to show you. I'm going to let you be surprised. But the drawing tomorrow, we're going to draw tomorrow, but what we're drawing for is this, my bamboo stiletto. I love my stiletto. Okay, we've had one drawing that we've drawn the name for. We've started another one today. So you need to make a comment on this post in order to be in the drawing. That's all you have to do, a comment on this post. So this is day number 3. Okay, day number 3. The first day we talked about the discount that you're going to get when you go onto the website, and the discount code is BBASH for Birthday Bash. BBASH. That's all it is. No spaces, and it will just type it in caps so you don't have to worry about it. It will do it for you. BBASH. And then, Lenore, you need to email me and tell me your address. Okay, and put winner in the subject, and you're going to love it. It's barb@sewwithbarb.com. And then today we are doing another drawing. I mean, we're going to bring in here today. We're going to draw it tomorrow. So I'll be back tomorrow and we'll do another one. Okay, so if you watch later, make sure you make a comment. You'll still be in the drawing, all right? You don't have to watch it live. I hope that, I can't even tell, because I do not have the chat here. I really feel bad because I don't know how I can get this to work, but I'm gonna work on it today. See if I can get it to pull up better. I don't know, maybe it's those solar flares. If you've been reading about the solar flares, it's almost scary, don't you think? What is it called? I searched it last night and read all about it. It is crazy. The storms that are coming out of the sun right now, and they're all hitting us. I mean, we've known about this for a while, how the sun changes its axis, and as it changes it, it turns it different ways, and what they're going to be shooting at us. So we're going to see a little disturbance here and there. We don't even, maybe not even realize it and know it, but it's there. It's there. Everybody in the world and in the universe, we're all connected. We're all here. I have one challenge for you today, all right? And I'm going to remind this about you tomorrow, too. I've been cleaning out drawers and things. If you every day clean one spot, like one drawer, one closet, sometimes the closets can take a little longer, but just clean out one drawer. It's that easy. And then by the end of the year, you will have so many clean spots. So every day, just clean one drawer or closet, whatever you have time for. I'm going to go back and I'm going to be cleaning the closet today. I started it a couple of days ago. I'm still working on the closet, but every day I go through one portion of it. Oh, yesterday I did the laundry room. It was so fun. I've organized it. I can fit more things in it. I've got my cleaners up there. I've got my detergent. I've got everything, and it's all cleaned and wiped out. I love it. I'm so excited about it. And that's how I found this. Because this was hiding in a little obscure place that I didn't know it was there. It's too bad I waited so long from 2018 to get it, because those would have been good, right? Those would have been good. All right, so Lenore, you need to email me, and everybody else, make a comment, because I want to see your comments, and I'll respond to every one of them, and tomorrow I'll draw a name. Are you ready for that? I'm ready for that. Okay, go on with your day, do something fun, and clean a closet or a drawer, something. Even if it's just your toothbrush drawer, just clean something. It'll make a difference. Okay, have a great day. Bye-bye.